Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve a very nice indices problem where we need to find the value of this x. Okay, and the given data is that 9 raised to x is equals to 90. Now in this kind of a scenario, when you have a constant raised to a variable and you need to find the value of that variable, the obvious thing is to use the logs. Okay, but first what we should do in this case, in order to simplify this further, what we can do is we can write this 90 in terms of 9. We write this as 90 into 10. Okay, so now in this case what happens is after this we can't do much, so let's start using log. Okay, now on your LHS you have something like this, like log of a raised to m. So here we can say that the rule of log says that m comes ahead and it still gets multiplied to the log of that number. So here also we'll use the same thing. X will get multiplied to log of 9. Similarly, log of a product. On your RHS you have a product, right? So log of a product is nothing but what? Log of A plus log of B. So this will look like log of 9 plus log of 10. Okay, now after this we can't do much, but there is one very important thing which everyone needs to know, is that whenever we take log of any number, it is basically log of that number to the base 10. Now you might be wondering, why don't I write to the base 10? Okay, because it is understood. Just as if you had a number, let's say you write a number 9, this is nothing but it's equal to what? 9 raised to 1. Okay, but whenever we write 9, we don't write 9 raised to 1. Why? Because it is understood. Similar thing happens for log as well. When you write log of any number, it is implied that it is base 10. And why am I teaching you this is because log of any number to the same base will always be equal to 1. So using the same logic, I can say x into log 9 is equal to log 9 plus 1. Okay, now after this what we should do is we'll divide both sides by log 9 in order to find the value of x. Okay, so now you see over here the log 9 and log 9 are cancelling and we'll get x as nothing but what? Let's split this. So we'll get this as nothing but what? Log 9 upon log 9 plus 1 upon log of 9. Okay, so now here also you will see this is cancelling, this is getting you 1. So therefore we can say x is nothing but what? 1 plus 1 upon log 9. Now if they have given you the log table, you can write this as nothing but what? 1 plus 1 upon log 9 value is nothing but 0 0.9542. So here finally we have 1 plus 1 upon 0 0.9542 is nothing but what? 1.047. The final answer comes out to be 2.047. That, my dear friends, is the value of x in this particular question. Now students, if they had given you the same question, okay, and they had not given you the log book, and if there was options given, okay, 1 point some value, 2 point some value, 3 point some value, and then again 4 point some value, if these were the three options given to you all, so in this case what you should be doing is that you need to remember that 9 raised to 1 gets you what? 9. 9 raised to 2 gets you 81. 9 raised to 3 gets you what? 729. So obviously 90 lies in between them. So I can say that x value will lie between what? 2 and 3. Okay. So from here you could have deduced that the value or the option to be selected is 2 point some value. Okay. This is very important for people who are appearing for entrances. Okay, so I hope this is very very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.